Hi, my name is Rachel and I am wearing a hair topper from UniWigs. The color just blends in so seamlessly with my natural hair. This is my natural hair, and then here's the topper. It looks so natural. And the way I achieved this perfect fit was with the UniWigs Fit Kit. It comes with a color tester, and of course I matched this color to my roots whenever I had them freshly done, but I wound up with the color R626. It's the vanilla buttery blonde, and again, I've been so impressed by how seamlessly it blends in with the rest of my hair. And then I also ordered my topper in the 20-inch topper, and that has worked very well for me. They have a variety of lengths on the site. It also comes, the Fit Kit comes with several different bases. So the first base is the 5x5 mono base, and mono is referring to this part. This 5x5 is the area of the topper and the amount of hair that it will cover on your scalp. So you can base it off of the size on your head that you want covered. Now the other toppers, the other bases that it came with are the 7x8 mono topper. Now this is actually the area that I have, and this has been perfect for me because it runs straight from my forehead over my crown, and it covers exactly what I need to be covered. And I love the mono part. The mono part has been perfect for me. You can arrange your part any way you want. So if you change your hairstyle, you can flip it up, you can pull your hair back and put it in a ponytail. And it's very lightweight and very breathable, which is great for the Texas summers. And then the last base that the kit comes with is this silk base. Now this silk base is actually like the highest quality base that is on the market right now. And this is a 9x9 area. So this is the bigger size, and it covers more of your hair if you need even more area covered on your scalp. And this base is really great if you have a very sensitive scalp, if you're enduring chemotherapy treatment. It's fantastic, and it is probably the least aggressive in terms of all of the bases. So that Fit Kit is a great option. It is a wonderful way to find the perfect fit and ensure that you are investing in something that is meant for you.